What's going on today, Blue Blood Brand fam? Today we have another epic video. Today we are going to be opening up the Evolving Skies booster box that we have here. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here we have it, the Evolving Skies booster box. Very excited to get into this. Let's go through it. Cut up this side here. There we go. Let's see. Alright. There we go. Very excited. This is it. Let's hope that this set is a little more friendly to us than Chilling Reign. Because Chilling Reign was definitely a difficult set. I actually saw other YouTubers commenting the same thing, how difficult it was, Chilling Reign. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to check out that video. I have rounds 1, 2, and 3 on the channel. So, without further ado, this is Evolving Skies. Let's get into this first stack right here. I'm gonna push this off to the side. Right back here, so you guys can see. Let's do this. Let me know down below what cards you guys think are the best, and what do you guys think about them actually omitting Flareon, Jolteon, and blanking out right here, Vaporeon. What do you guys think about that? Hippopotamus, Lillipup, Nickit, Hoppip. Oh, alright, no hit that one. That's alright, that's alright. Elemental Badge, Herdier Spirit Mask, and that's for you guys. That's your guys' code card. Keep it rolling here. Don't worry, as I had stated in previous videos, I have never cut and or chipped a card with those pairs of scissors before. Here we go. Show you guys what we got here. Ravana, Mareep, Nickit. Oh man, Drampa. Alright, look at that artwork. Wow. Looks like kind of like a very vivid colored Picasso. Ursaring, Crystal Cave, and of course code card. That's for you guys. Let me throw these out really quick. Uh-oh, Rayquaza Pack. Here we go. Actually looking for the alternate art Umbreon. That would be great. Rayquaza definitely comes in second for me. I don't know, the artwork isn't as amazing as the Umbreon. That would be awesome if we get that. Melodic. Oh, check it out. Alright. Garbodor V. I'll take it, I'll take it. Very good, very good. Not bad so far. There we go. So that's 3 packs in, and we already got something that was pretty good thus far. This is a V card, but still very cool. I love the artwork on that. Very 3D. Hang on, let's take it. You guys didn't see. Look at that card. Very, very beautiful card. How it like just pops out at us. Very cool. Tentacool. Love this. C-Dot. Any? Nope. Nothing. That's alright. Keeping it going. Aroma Lady. Rescue Carrier. And code card. That's for you guys. Here we go. Look at that. Umbreon just waiting in these packs. I can smell it. If you guys know actually what the pull rate for that Umbreon is, good if you can comment down below. Don't know if they have that information yet, but that would be very helpful. Pikachu, check out Pikachu. Wow, look at that. Just hanging out in a meadow, perched up on a rock. Probably sees Ash. Very cool. Scrafty, and oh, that's alright. Sharpedo, look at the water back there. That's really awesome. Alright. Sharpedo it is. Anytime we haven't gotten a hit out of these packs, code card, that's for you guys. It's still been very beautiful. The card after the reverse. There we go. Cutie Fly. Looking absolutely dazed. That's a very bizarre. Pikachu again, alright. Good signs. Applin, Lillipup, Molga. Alright, okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Very cool. Okay. So another hit. Hollow, not what we needed, but still a very beautiful card nonetheless. Switching Cups, Tentacruel, and of course, your guys' code card. I will never not show you guys that. Unless, of course, I honestly forget. Then there is that. But for the most part, yeah, I won't forget that. Weeble. There we go. Mareep. Drowsy. Scraggy. Freebus. Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh, Appleton. That's okay. Like I said, look, you see, every time after the reverse holo, the artwork on the next card is always... Oh, wow. That artwork is beautiful, too. Wow. Lantern, very nice. There we go. Next month is Halloween. It's crazy how fast the time is flying. I remember when I was just opening up Battle Styles, or even Hidden Fates. Forget Battle Styles. Hidden Fates feels like it was yesterday. It's just crazy. We've gotten to this point. Uh-oh. I just... I just spoiled something. Okay, alright. Whoa. Keep sliding. Dimple. Alright. So you guys know what's coming up. Eevee. Here we go. Alright. Lycanroc V. I'll take it. Wow. Slippery little sucker. It just wanted to... Here. You guys can take a better look at it. I love the texture on the full arts. Ooh, they're beautiful. Flappy. And this is your guys' code card. Yeah, I love the texturing on those cards. It really feels amazing to the hand. If you haven't ever opened up a pack, I definitely implore you to actually pursue it and to get that experience. Bagoon. Baggin. Okay. Whew. C-Dot. Slackoth. Carvana. Aroma Lady. And a holo. Check it out. Very cool card. Very awesome. I'm going to put him over here in the holo section. Full face guard. Wow. AKA an astronaut's helmet. That's for you guys. It's so funny how they consider that the full face card. That's pretty cool. Let me toss that. There we go. Whew. I actually thought for a quick second that I cut one of the cards, but it was just the pack itself. Fletchling. Here we go. Tentacool, Pikachu, C-Dot. Oh, Lillipup. Sharpedo, there we go. And Jumpluff. Wow, check that out. Very cool. Rapid Strike, too. Very awesome pull. Digging Gloves, Stormy Mountains, and Shelgon. And this code card, that's for you guys. Let's see what we can get. Alright, so nothing crazy as of yet. I wonder how other YouTubers or other enthusiasts have actually done. If you've opened these packs before, let me know what cards you've gotten. What did you like? What didn't you like? Nick it. Alright, Teddy Ursa. Wow, that was a surprise. Look at that. Very cool card. Teddy Ursa just... Oh! Leafeon V! Oh, we're getting all the Vs. Check this out. Very cool card. Wow. That is really nice. Leafeon is just hanging out there in the meadow. Switching cups again. And that's your guys' code card. Umbreon pack. Here we go. Whew, here we go. Feeling the pressure. The pressure is on Teddy Ursa. We saw him before. Hoppip, Hitmonchan. Oh, come on, Hollow. No! That's alright. That's alright. Again, look at the artwork, the detail. I tell you, they don't let you down with that next one. It's actually really awesome. Those cards. There you go. Code card. That's for you guys. Let's keep it rolling here. Alright. Sway. Oh, almost ripped this pack in half. Very cute artwork. Look at that. Very awesome. C-Dot. Woobat. Eevee. Tampole. Nuzleaf. Here we go. Oh, that's alright. This one, this artwork, I'm not really too impressed with. Speaking of being impressed by the artwork, what do you guys think about the set's artwork? In terms of artwork, what is your... Ooh, hit it again. Sorry, you guys. What is your favorite artwork in this set? I want to hear what you guys think. And what is your favorite card just in general? Could be Rayquaza. You know, if you guys want to say that, go for it. Gossifleur. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That always happens. It always peaks. Oh my goodness. Alright, alright. Here we go. Fletchling. Chow. Oh man. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Woobat. Vaporeon V. We're getting all the V's. This is the best. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's really no background, I don't think. What's going on in the back? Yeah, it's kind of a... Oh no, alright, I saw it. If the reflection of the light is correct, you can actually see the bubbles around Vaporeon. Still very cool. Not what we needed, but still very beautiful cards. And this card is for you guys. There you go. We haven't went through half of this booster box yet, so fret not. We definitely have a few more surprises. Alright, laying around the corner, Rufflet, Drowsy, Ragnarola, Psyduck, Rubber Gloves, and no hollow or hit card. That is A. Okay, Ribbon Badge, and that's your guys' code card. Alright, Umbreon. Umbreon is the good luck charm in this set. Definitely looking for that alternate art Umbreon. That would be amazing. There we go. There we go. I'm also, sorry you guys, just adjusting a little. There we go, that's a little more good. Nick it. There we go. Here we go, Slacketh. Boldor, come on. Goolurk V. Wow, the goo. Very cool. Or the go, I should say. Golurk V. Very cool. Again, very, I don't know what's going on with this booster box. We've gotten a lot of, here you guys go. Special cards, but nothing really too crazy. Nothing has really popped out. I mean, I like the Leafeon and the Garbodor. That's pretty cool, but honestly, not. I don't know. The set definitely needs to try a little harder than that, or at least a booster box. What's all of this? I have stuff on there. Okay. Let's continue. Psyduck looking cute as ever, tanning on the beach. Very awesome. Victini and Hollow Galarian Articuno. All right. Look at that. Okay, all right. We are going somewhere. Golduck, Boost Shake, and of course, your guys' code card. All right, this is 1/2. Here we go. Whew. Let's go after this. A Rayquaza Pack for the end of the first half. Here we go. Eevee. Tampole. Cutiefly. Applin. Go. Ludicolo. Kulo. Oh, Colo. Kulo. Alright, and oh, Talonflame. Check that out. Again, like I said, after every reverse holo. Oh, shopping center. Check that out. After every reverse holo, those cards are really beautiful. Here we go. Second half. Let's see what half wins. Let me know also down in the comments section below what half you guys think has won. I'm excited to actually know myself because I have not opened them yet. Hoppip, Mareep, Wobbuffet, Melodic, that's alright. Like I said, very cool cards. I like the artwork. Spirit Mask, Palpitoad, and code card. That's for you guys. Uh-oh. Big bad Umbreon. No, she's actually really sweet. Don't know her, but I can imagine she's a very sweet creature. Very coy. Psyduck tanning again. C-Dot. Woobat. Okay. Holo. Altaria. That's alright. It's totally fine. Lucky Ice Pop. Tentacruel. And, of course, your guys' code card. Let's see. Also, I want to know what you guys want to see, what you guys are interested to see. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know down below and I will be able to make a video. Oh, check this out! Hydreigon. Very cool. Very cool holo. Look at that. Zoom in on that a little. Very cool. Wow. I love that. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see, questions, comments, and or concerns, and I'll be able to incorporate it in the next video, if not make a full video based off of your question. I have a few videos to do just because of comments. As people are curious as to what I have. For example, the binder that I have that is coming soon to the YouTube channel. Rufflet, Drowsy. So be sure to tune in for that. Shiftry. Oh wow, look at that. The common and the reverse. What are the odds of that? That's really awesome. Alright. Scrafty, Snowleaf Badge. And of course, this is your guys' code card. Whew. Sweating now because we got only a few packs left. So far, if you were to ask me as of right now, it seems like the first half is winning. I don't know, call me crazy. Leo, very cool. Sorry about that. Eevee, Cutie Fly, Hitmonchan. Oh, Flapple. That's alright. Still a very cool Pokemon. Very nice artwork, as per the usual. And of course, your guys' code card. That's for you. Back to Umbreon. Here we go. Push that off into the side there. Let's see. Mareep. Coming in hot. There we go. Whew. Wobbuffet. Love this. Dweeble. Papatas. Ursaring. We have not had that one yet. Not the reverse holo. Oh, that's alright. Again, look at that. Looks like she is in Hawaii. Very cool. Swoobat. Lucky Ice Pop. And of course, your guys' code card. Let me see how many we have left. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have 10 left, plus this one that I'm about to open. We are at a grand total of 11 left. Here we go. Stay with me, you guys. We have Carvana coming in hot. Check this out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Fletchling, Scraggy, Hippopotas. Oh, Gigalith. There we go. Shadow, very cool. Check that out. Punching candles. Look at that. What a very active artwork. Very cool. Fletchinder. Lantern, Spirit Mask, and of course, this is your guys' code card. And then we have, of course, the Rayquaza. You never know. The tides can completely change in these next few packs. It's happened before on the channel in the past where everything seems to not be going too well, and then all of a sudden that one pack, that special pack, comes out. Oh, check it out. Okay, okay. Medicham V. Very cool. Very cool card. I like it. Alright. Switching Cups, Elemental Badge, Shelgon, and of course, your guys' code card. Whew. I hope there's at least one alternate art laying in here, because as of right now, nothing is really striking as much. Wondering if other people have had difficulties opening these booster boxes and what they've gotten. Tentacruel, Ampharos, Full Face Guard, Hypno, and of course your guys' code card. That's for you. Umbreon again. Check out. By the way, these pack arts are just unbelievable. Bravo, Pokemon, for the pack arts. Cutie Fly in the helm. We saw her welcoming us in, I believe it was like our second or third pack of the first half. And it was definitely great memories. Teddiursa, And for us, Altaria breaking up the momentum. But here on the channel, we never, ever give up. That's for you guys. Let's see. Lillipup. I will say one thing. These booster boxes definitely have a lot of hits. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. Full face guard. Oh! Again, look at the artwork. Very vivid. Shift tree. Shake, of course, and Shelgon. There you go. That's your guys' code card. Of course, Rayquaza is coming out. Hopefully swinging. Here we go. Here we go. Scraggy, aka Scraggle Rock. Temple. Leo. Eevee. Toy Catcher. Eldegoss. Alright. Okay, okay. We'll take that. We'll take that. That's pretty cool. I like that. Always welcome. Copycat in the house. And of course, your guys' code card. It's for you guys. Alright. Let's go after this alternate art. Umbreon. I feel it. I believe we're down. This is the 5th to last pack. Oh my goodness, you guys. Woobat. Phoebus. Hippopotamus. Here we go. Oh, nothing. That's alright. That's alright. Keep it rolling. Tentacruel, Rubber Gloves, and of course, your guys' code card. Let's see. Umbreon coming through. Pumpkaboo. See what happens here. Carvana. Gossifleur. I'm gonna go this way. Very cool. Look at that card. Look at this reverse holo. Wow. Very cool. I'm gonna put him gently down. I'm honestly not even upset. That artwork is beautiful. Ribbon badge. That's for you guys. Right there, your guys' code card. Alright, so we're down to the final 4. Who will win? We have pack right here. Usually it's a final 3 that usually set us off for a spin. Always finish strong here on the channel. We have Pikachu in the house again. Very good sign. Rufflet. Lotad. Very cool artwork. Okay. Vigoroth. Melodic. Very cool. Alright. We got another one. Dream Ball. Check that out. And this is your guys' code card. Rayquaza coming in 3rd to final pack. The Rayquaza pack. This is its last chance for redemption. Let's see what we can or cannot get here in this booster box. Uh-oh. 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 Gave already a sneak peek. This is going to be crazy. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get ready for this. Like I said, on this channel, I don't know what it is. The 3rd to last, or sorry, the final 3 packs are always the craziest. Braviary. Here we go. Oh, Glaceon VMAX. Check it out. That's really awesome. Very cool card. Check that out. All right. Very awesome. Wow, I'm really happy with that. Wow. Oof. See, now it's definitely up to debate whether it was the first half or whether it was the second half that came through strong here on the channel. That's your guys' code card. And of course, we have Umbreon. I'm going to challenge Umbreon as well. This is its final showdown here on the channel. Here we go. It's usually the last 3 packs. I never know why, but it always happens here on the channel. It's always the final few packs that end up impressing and getting us those very cool cards and artwork. Coppertoad, oh, this one did not deliver, but it is totally fine. We have Copycat, very cool Skiploom, and of course your guys' code card. Final pack here in the booster box. For anybody who is still watching, thank you for continuing watching. I definitely appreciate it. You guys are the real MVPs. Here we go. Ivana, Dweeble, Mareep. All right, I don't think we've gotten this one yet. The reverse holo. Oh, and an Appleton. That is totally fine. Honestly, you can't be mad. We had a really great card come out of that third to last Lucky Ice Pop, and this is your guys' code card. Another great video for the channel. Definitely one for the books. Make sure to like and comment down below. I have a whole bunch of questions in the video. If you guys could respond to those questions, that would be much appreciated. That's how I thrive here on the channel. And a little bit of constructive criticism as to what you guys want to see, what you guys don't want to see. Just let me know. As for anybody who is considering joining the Blue Blood brand fam, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And we welcome all of our members with open arms. As for the rest of the Blue Blood brand fam, I will see you guys later. Take care, you guys.